So Kyrie Irving was asked about his decision to leave Cleveland and to talk about his relationship with LeBron James. Kyrie Irving said, "I haven't spoken to LeBron James, and my intent in asking for a trade, like I said, was for my best intentions. To look back at the amount of ground we covered in the last 3-year span to realize how special that was and how much stuff changed in the amount of time, I'd be sitting up here and telling you guys a lie if I didn't tell you that I learned so much from that guy." The perfection of the craft comes in a variety of forms, and you ask a lot of great players, what does it take to be great? I've had the unique opportunity to play with one of the greats, and it was awesome. When you look back and you're eternally grateful for the moments that you've had and shared, you're able to put peace with that journey and start anew. And Kyrie Irving talked about his trade. He said it was my time to do what was best for me in terms of my intentions, and that's going after something bigger than myself, and obviously being in an environment that was conducive for my potential. Irving said, "I think that statement is just self-explanatory because it's pretty direct in terms of what my intent is. It's to be happy and to be with a group of individuals that I can grow with." That's not a knock on anything that has transpired in my 6 years in Cleveland, because it was an unbelievable experience. To think about what we accomplished in Cleveland and individually as well, it bypasses the amount of moments I had with other special people out there. Me living there was not about basketball. It was more or less about creating the foundation of me in Cleveland, and now taking the next step as a 25-year-old evolving man and being the best basketball player I can be. So guys, there you have it. Kyrie Irving finally addressed the trade and addressed his relationship with LeBron James. All I can do is wish Kyrie Irving the best of luck. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I'm out.